Civil bodies and organizations from Nagaland submitted a memorandum to Home Minister Amit Shah seeking repatriation of illegal migrants from Myanmar to their country. They also sought withdrawal of Assam Rifles along the Indo-Myanmar borders in and around Kamjong areas in Manipur. The United Naga Council, Naga Women's Union, All Naga Students Association Manipur, and Naga People's Movement for Human Rights together submitted the memorandum to the Home Minister. The organizations highlighted that about 5,457 illegal immigrants from Myanmar are being sheltered in 8 Tangkhul villages in Manipur's Kamjong district, adding that the inmates have outnumbered the local residents. The memorandum stressed on the lack of law enforcing agencies to effectively control increasing activities of antisocial, adding that foreign culture has overwhelmed the native customary practices due to sheer population imbalances. Although biometric have been captured for 5,173 persons, monitoring the activities of the adult male inmates have become a huge challenge as the authority cannot regularly conduct verifying exercises amidst the fluctuating numbers of inmates between daytime and at night in those makeshift refugee camps. These dubious activities of young and adult members are also a cause of concern as this prolonged sojourn in our land will be detrimental to our well-being, the memorandum added.